Hello! Good morning everyone! How's your day? This morning, ladies, gentlemen, and friends, I would like to share with you another healing foods. Agar-agar. This is a vegetable, seaweed vegetable. It's from the ocean. Named agar-agar. This bland, calorie-free seaweed offers a fabulous vegetarian alternative to gelatin for the making of jellies and aspics. Rich in trace minerals, agar-agar is traditionally used in Japan to help soothe the digestive tract and to relieve constipation. Its high fiber content help to lower raised cholesterol and it suppresses the appetite, making it an ideal food for anyone wanting to lose weight. Okay. The main culinary function of this seaweed is as the gelling agent, settling liquids at room temperature. However, it will not set in vinegar or any foods containing oxalic acid such as chocolate, rhubarbs, and spinach. And it is full of vitamins and minerals. It's good for human health. I hope I share with you a little knowledge about agar-agar, a seaweed vegetable. And I thank you.